You definitely want to be using Business Manager anytime you run Facebook ads or boost posts. I'm going to show you step by step how to set that up. So to create a new one, you'll want to go to business.facebook.com/overview. I'll drop a link down in the description, or you can just punch it in directly. And then you'll have the option to create the account. So you give your business a name. I could just do Jacob L.E. Marketing. It's ideal if you have something under your domain name, like a business email. I've already created one under this account, so I'll just use my personal email, which you can see still works if it's Gmail. Then we're gonna need to confirm our email address. So it ended up under the social tab. Here we go. Confirm now. You have to log into Facebook. Okay, so we click that link. And now you can see we have our own business manager, Jacob L.E. Marketing. So right now we actually need to connect our page to that. So I'm going to do add a page, and you can just search for it. It's right there. So I'm going to actually add it. So now it'll be connected, and if we want to run ads or things like that, that'll be connected. And you can see we can add other people to this page and give them access to create ads or publish content or just view the page performance. For the page, you want to double check that you are able to do absolutely everything on the page and have full permissions. And at any time, if you want to add a page or create a new page, you have the option to right there. So really quickly, if you want to give someone else access, you can just enter in their email. And you can choose if they get employee access or admin access or finance. So you can actually, on the next page, choose to assign them to a page and their permissions, to an ad account and their permissions, if you have any like catalogs or things like that. So you can either manage people's access under their name, under people, and just add the assets, or you can actually go to the pages and add people there. It's really your choice with whatever you prefer. And it's the exact same thing with sharing catalogs as well as pixels, and you can manage, if people can only view it or can actually manage and edit it. If you have an Instagram account, you will want to connect that to your ad account. Connecting that will just give you access to showing ads to your Instagram traffic as well. When your account is brand new, you will only have the option to create or add one ad account. So you actually do need to run at least a little bit of ads and make your payments in order to unlock having different ad accounts and things like that, which is part of why it's important to get started with that right now. Under ad accounts, if we haven't run ads before, you can do create a new ad account. Otherwise, you can add your existing ad account. So let me show you how to do both. You can just do create an ad account, give it a name, Jacob L.E. ad account. Click next. You'll generally want to do it'll be used for my business. Click create. And then you'll want to select yourself and make sure you have access to everything. So if you've already been running ad accounts or want to connect some other ad account, let me show you how to add an existing ad account to your business manager. So you'll need to find the ad account ID. I find the fastest way to get to there is to go to justfacebook.com on the desktop. And then you'll have these options off to the side. And if you go under Ads Manager, the number, it's up in the URL at the end, or you can also go here and grab it from there. But I find it's easiest to grab the exact number right there. Add account ID and do add ad account. You can see under data sources, that's where you can create your pixels, and you can create and manage quite a few and connect them to your website. So under this business manager, you can go to payments and set up your payment method to use at any point in the future. You'll definitely want to verify your business as well. This will unlock several other features, and it'll also show to Facebook that you're a legitimate business. So you'll just go to business info, and you'll want to set your primary page. Click save. So you will want to set the primary page and then also fill out the business details. Right now we have the 1 ad account creation limit, but that will go up over time. And then business verification status, we can go to view details. You could set up 2-factor authentication. This is usually recommended for security. And for some people it'll be blue, other people it will be grayed out. So I wanted to show you how to fix that. So sometimes it can be grayed out because you haven't filled out your profile enough. Once you fill all this out, it should be blue. If it's still showing gray, you'll want to go to apps and just create a new app ID to manage business integrations. You will only do this if your verified business is still grayed out, and I'm not actually fully setting up the app. I'm just clicking next on the first couple prompts, which will put an app into our business settings, which should make that error go away. That's what you do, and you can see now we can start the verification. So you'll fill out all of your details. And then you'll have it, I think the easiest is to text your phone and then enter in the info. So now in the future, if you're on your page and you do decide to boost a post, you'll just want to make sure that you select the business account. Anytime you want to access your ads in the future, you can just go to facebook.com. Over to the left, it will have Ads Manager. And boom, we're in here. You just want to make sure under campaign, we have the actual business account selected. And then we'll be doing it with the business ads manager, which is what you want to be using. Do you really want to become amazing at Facebook ads? You'll definitely want to check out my 2-hour training that takes you from beginner to expert. And if you've already seen that one, check out that video or my ebook on optimizing a Facebook ad campaign. Please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in that video.